这是以色列和伊朗19继续互相轰炸，双方即马冲突是继续扩大。伊朗去炸以色列嘅大病院，也让以色列是去攻击伊朗嘅核子设施。国际社会即马是拢较关心讲，安尼美国敢要拍惨落去攻击伊朗？美国总统川普是表示，会先和伊朗谈判，伊会伫2礼拜来决定。
伊朗甲以色列互相轰炸已经1礼拜啊！在这段期间，美国用核子议题对伊朗2个定的手段拢来，对以色列军火转移、防御部署甲情报分享。国际社会一直注意美国是不是会攻击伊朗。
I have a message directly from the president, and I quote: "Based on the fact that there's a substantial chance of negotiations that may or may not take place with Iran in the near future, I will make my decision whether or not to go within the next 2 weeks." Iran has all that it needs to achieve a nuclear weapon. All they need is a decision from the supreme leader to do that. And it would take a couple of weeks to complete the production of that weapon, which would of course pose an existential threat, not just to Israel, but to the United States and to the entire world.
伊朗伫19向以色列发射几号爆炸飞弹甲无人机，目标包括南部一座主要兵器苏罗卡医学中心甲特拉维夫附近的主题区，造成240人受伤。以色列强势反击，大规模空袭包括阿拉克的淡水反应炉，甲其他的核子抑个军事设施。国际原子能总署证实，这个反应炉无运作，而且无放射性外漏的风险。以色列总理纳坦雅胡讲，甲美国一直有联络，并且俄罗川普。
President Trump, with whom I speak to almost every day, is incredible. I think his resolve, his determination, and his clarity when he says Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. And for that to take place, Iran cannot enrich uranium. It's as simple as that. He gave them the chance to do it through negotiations. They strung him along. You don't string along Donald Trump.
伊朗副外交部长哈蒂博扎德伫咧接受英国广播公司 BBC 访问时阵，否认伊朗正伫咧发展核子武器。对于川普一直讲，若是伊朗当初接受核子协议，这场战争本来是当避免的。伊批评川普拢无伫咧插以色列的军事拨人，伊朗本来是愿意谈判，是以色列用轰炸破坏一切。公司新闻黄文玲编译。